Well, the sun just went down over that mountain over yonder. And according to the turkey, it's not really that warm out. And with my life experience, I'm predicting it's not going to get warmer this evening. So, with that in mind, I don't think we're going to do any rock molds at this moment. However, I was out here yesterday and it was nicer, had some sunlight, and I didn't shoot any video, but I did rock molds, and I will show you what I accomplished. Don't want to be doing rock molds with just cold turkey, you know. Yeah, okay. Let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so here we are inside. This is the Palisades area up by Alpine Tunnel. And so the cliff I'm trying to build is, you know, roughly off of a real existing place. So instead of just throwing rock molds up and calling it good, I'm trying to kind of match the look that's there. I don't have rock molds that is that same texture, you could say. So I've picked out some other ones that I have that are kind of more flat, and then I've actually been kind of carving stuff as I put the rock molds up, kind of carving lines and stuff into it to hopefully try to capture the feeling of what is actually there. So to do that, in this case, I've printed out pictures that I could find of that area and hung them on the wall here so I can kind of have a reference. And well, I'll show you those real quick. We'll just, maybe it's going through the snow, the train, I don't know. We'll pretend it's not running on blue painter's tape right now. Whatever. So, I'm just gonna show you a couple of the pictures that I printed out. This is the first picture I saw kind of looking from the opposite direction of all the other pictures, so that's kind of cool to have. I just, you know, did a kind of a Google search to find these. So you can see here, this is one of my biggest ones I was looking at. It's like the cliff is fairly flat, the surface is, but then there's these pretty prominent lines. Ones that go pretty much straight up and down vertically, and then other horizontal ones that are at an angle. This little area here has got kind of lots of little lines in there, so I kind of tried to duplicate that. This is a good one kind of showing the wall, and I want to try to do that top part of the wall like that. The wall kind of has more square-ish blocks than what my mold is, but you know, whatever. These are two pictures that I've had up here a long time already. Here's what I have of the wall, and then we'll get some rock formations kind of down at the base of it and the ends of it. And here's what I have with this cliff thus far. So a lot of the lines, more prominent lines, vertical and angled lines, I've carved in. Of course, everything is all white still, but that will change. Let me show you this one particular kind of area here. I kind of strive to achieve a little bit. And that is kind of that right there. So yeah, I got kind of from here all the way down, mostly to here, a little bit there to do. But I got a lot of that done. There's only a little bit this way, a little bit right here. So that got me a good start on all of this. This is kind of cool. This down here will be a lot of talus and stuff. There'll be one rock formation here. Actually, I might do something like that. Another one up here, there's kind of a cool little outcropping right here that these people are all hanging out on. So I think I can kind of recreate that. Yeah, so it's a very good progress on that. So that's the rock work that I got done the other day. And you know, I'm just not really working on anything tonight. So I'm gonna run a train. Here's that.
coming, it's closer every day. I feel the waters rising, just like a tidal wave. So go and tell your brother and sisters all the same. We gotta come together for a brighter day. Everybody, shout it out. Let's get together here and now. Raise your voices and gather around. Let's gather around. Oh, come on, everybody. If we wanna change tomorrow, we gotta change today. We gotta come together and find another way. I think we can make it happen. Together, I believe we can be the change we wanna see. Everybody, shout it out. Let's get together here and now. Raise your voices and gather around. Let's gather around. Oh, come on, everybody.
All right, well, there's that. Maybe the weather will get nicer again for a little bit and get some time to maybe do some more rock mold stuff. Kind of excited about that area. I think it'd be really neat to see a train rolling through there with the rock cliffs done. That would be really cool. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.
Around.